Welcome to your video guide to the Asteroom Pano Kit. We will teach you how to shoot panoramas, create a virtual tour, set hotspots, and share your tour. Fasten the rotator onto the tripod. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. Otherwise, the rotator would get stuck and mess up the panorama. Attach the lens on your phone. If your phone has a projected camera on the back, we suggest to get a thin phone case for better results. We have a list of suggested cases on the Asteroom website that you can check out. Double check that your lens is attached correctly by selecting the camera tab in the Asteroom app. You should see a clear and unobstructed view on your phone. With the lens attached, now make sure your phone is balanced on the rotator. Before you start shooting, we recommend a few things that will help you achieve the best results. Shooting during the daytime will always give you the best natural lighting. Leave the doors of the adjacent rooms open for the best 3D dollhouse results. Begin at the entrance of the property for your first panorama. Then move into other rooms. Remember to shoot your panorama from the center of the room for best results. When you're ready, put the tripod in the center of the room. Set the timer on the Asteroom app and leave the room for the duration of the panorama. Check the results to make sure you're happy with the quality. When you have the results you want, save the panorama with the provided room name that best describes it. Move into an adjacent room, repeat the previous steps by checking the view through the lens and the balance on the rotator. You can find your panoramas in an automatically created album labeled by the date. When you have all the panoramas you need, select the album and upload it to create a project for you to edit. We recommend renaming the album to the property address. The album name will be used as the project name when you create one. If you order a 3D dollhouse right after creating the project, we will connect the hotspots for you to make things simple. If you decide to order the 3D dollhouse for your project later, you can tap on the cubic icon to the right of the Panorama tab inside the project. Maximize your virtual tour by sharing the link on MLS and your social media channels. For MLS to display your virtual tour, please manually add the link generated for the project to MLS. Asteroom helps you capture lead information and provides view analytics so you can measure how effective your tour is. To create a walkthrough, start by connecting the panoramas you shot with hotspots. Add a hotspot by selecting the Next Room button. Start by adding hotspots in areas with the most adjacent rooms, such as the living room or walkways, so you can add the most hotspots at once. Preview your work by selecting the preview button at the top right corner. Your virtual tour viewers will follow these hotspots to get to adjacent rooms and move through the property. You can also use the Asteroom app to create a floor plan of a room. You can watch this in our optional tutorial. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need more information on how to use your Pano Kit, please visit our website or social media. Thank you!